In this question, they ask us which number represents 2,045,505. So, first of all, let's talk about the millions place value and how you can quickly identify that. A million is always followed by exactly 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can put a comma there, and then a comma here. And then one single digit goes here, in this place. So when you're counting millions, you can count 1 million by writing a 1 in this place. You can count 2 million by writing a 2 there, and so forth. If you wrote a 5 there, it would be 5 million. So to start, this number has to have a 2 followed by 6 zeros or 6 digits. We don't know what the digits are necessarily, but they could be zeros. But the point is that whatever the digits are, there are 6 of them after the 2. That's how you can recognize the millions place value, either by counting 6 zeros, like we have up here, or just 6 digits. Now the next thing is 45,000. Well, the place value system is set up so that we start where this place is equal to the number of ones in the number, then this is the number of tens, then the number of hundreds, and we keep going up by multiples of 10. So first we multiply from 1 times 10, gives us the tens place value. 10 times 10 gives us the hundreds place value. And then 10 times 100 gives us the next place value, which is 1,000. And then the next place value is 10 times that, or, well, 10 times 1,000 is 10,000. So in this case, excuse me, we can stop here because the phrase 45,000, right? 45, if you think of just the number 45, the 4 represents the number of tens, and the 5 represents the number of ones, right? So in the number 45, we have 4 tens and 5 ones. But this is saying 45,000. So that means not 4 tens, but 4 10,000s, and then 5 thousands. And that goes here, 45, right? This is the number of 10,000s and the number of 1,000s. Just like in the number of 45, it's the number of tens and ones. So that means this space right here, right? We don't have a number to go there. There's no, this is the 100,000s place, right? Because you multiply 10,000 by 10 to get 100,000. So there's no mention of that here, so that's a 0. And we can already eliminate B and D because they put a 4 in that place. Next we represent 500 and then 5. So what does that mean? Well, 500 means you have 5 100s, and this is the 100 place. So we have 5 of them, 500s. And now we can cross out A because they didn't put anything there, right? They put 55. And C has to be the answer, but let's talk about why, because here it says 505. And what that means is it's 500s and then 5 ones. They don't mention the number of tens, so that's a 0 as well. So with the place value here, you've just got to examine the number or digit that goes in each place value based on the way they phrase the wording. And that might really help you just to think about or draw out what each place value is. Don't be afraid to do that. It might take a little bit of time, but that'll probably steer you in the right direction. All right, thanks.